Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another truck to build for you. This is a really cool one. It's an all white GMC Sierra. It's a 2021 model. We're going to be doing a 6-inch rough country lift kit with the struts on it and a set of 22 by 12 KG1 forged polished seismic. It's a new wheel for this year, and some 35 1250 22 Toyo open country RT trails. Stay tuned for this one. It's going to be a very, very exciting truck. We're doing the mud flap deletes and a couple other little things, but very excited. All right, here's our truck. Beautiful white color. Has the chrome bumpers on it, so it's going to line up real good with that KG1 forged polished wheel. This is going to be a quick, probably in and out video for you guys. Truck's not brand new, but it looks really, really nice and clean, and it has a really nice sound system in it as well. My customer's name is Luke. I believe he drove today from Savannah, Georgia for this, and he's staying in a hotel up here. So I wanted to say I appreciate him for that. Well, we've got our GMC Sierra 1500 ready to go. Customer Luke is about to head back to Savannah, Georgia, or somewhere around the area of Savannah, Georgia. But I just wanted to go ahead and throw this in the video. I appreciate him for driving. It was a 3 or 4 hour trip, and he has been here in McDonough for about a day and a half now. He stayed in a hotel room last night to get his truck done, and it is ready to go, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a 2021 Sierra 1500 SLT. There's a truck back there. But it is a 6-inch lift kit we did with the, it's a rough country lift with the strut option. We did the N3s in the front. We did a 22 by 12 forged, polished, KG1 forged Seismic is the wheel. It's an amazing looking wheel. It's very, very bright, matches all the chrome on the truck. He went from a black wheel to a polished wheel with my direction. I told him I thought it would look better on the truck if we did the polished or the chrome look versus the black. So let me know what you guys think about the truck. I'm about to flip the camera around and show it to you. It's a pretty one. So here's the truck. Get you a little background shot of the shop here. Show you what we got working in the background. Nothing too fancy back here. But anyway, we got a fancy truck sitting on the slab, 2021 Sierra. This is the SLT model. It's the model that's right below the Denali. So it does have the chrome mirrors, chrome badges, chrome grille, chrome bumpers, all that stuff. Your Denali trucks have painted bumpers with more chrome in the grille than this. This is a kind of a mixture of black and chrome on the SLT, but very, very nice truck. It really is. Truck super, super clean. The wheels we did on it, to me, matched the trim really well. It complemented all the other accents on the truck. This is the 22 by 12 KG1 Seismic. It's a new wheel for last year. We've done this wheel a couple of times over the last couple of weeks, and every time it's looked amazing. The lift kit we did was the Rough Country 6-inch kit. Here's what the front cross member section looks like. This is the gas engine, so this has a skid plate right there instead of that badge on the front. Axle angles look amazing. We did the N3 strut right here that you can buy optional in this kit. It's very, very amazing. Replaces the factory coil spring, replaces the factory shock and all that. He had a lift kit on this truck before that was like I think it was maybe the 4-inch ready lift, or no, it's the 3.5-inch Rough Country that was on it. It had upper control arms, so we had to take those out and use these factory GM ones. We had to buy these from the dealership because the Rough Country control arms have too much angle for them because they're off the 3.5-inch kit. So we went up to the 6. You just use stock control arms right there. The tires we went with are the 35 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This is the new best thing we have to offer right now. Toyo and Nitto are the same company, so either one of their brand tires are great. This is more compatible with, I'd say, the Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is a very, very good looking tire. It comes with a 45,000 mile warranty. Very, very smooth riding, very quiet. The Ridge Grappler is just about all of those things as well. It's just been around a lot longer, so I'm kind of tired of seeing the tread as often. So something new and refreshing is nice. So if you guys are in the market for a good, everyday, load-capable tire that's going to be smooth, quiet, and get the mileage that you want, the Toyo Open Country RT Trail is a great option, along with all of the other Nitto and Toyo tires, I'd say, but this one's cool. So let me know if you have any questions about this build. I'm going to throw a build sheet into the back part of the video so you guys can see what this job would cost you if you just came up out of nowhere and got it done. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out in the comments, or you can call me. I work every day here at Southern Tire in McDonough. The phone number here is 678-994-9180. I work 8 to 6, so if you have any questions, just reach out. Thanks for watching, guys.